If you're looking for hinges that offer new levels of safety, nothing comes close to the latest Series 3 range of TruClose hinges. Made in Australia using the latest materials and technology, TruClose is the cutting edge in self-closing safety gate hinges with no more rusting, binding, sagging or staining. When it comes to helping keep children safe, it's the choice for gates around swimming pools and the home, as well as childcare centres, schools and playgrounds. Because you can rely on TruClose to close every time. And for extra safety, special hinge caps stop toddlers using the hinge as a climbing foothold. With TruClose technology, tension adjustment is easy, needing just a turn of a screwdriver. TruClose hinges are clean and stylish. There are no visible fasteners, and you can choose from black or optional brushed metallic or chrome leaf covers to match other D&D products like Lock Latch Magnetic. There are also regular and heavy-duty models to suit gates of different styles, weights and materials. Rust-free and virtually maintenance-free, TruClose comes with a warranty that should see them keeping generations of children safer. For more on the extensive range of D&D latches, locks and hinges, simply visit ddtechglobal.com.